In this first chilling Ring doorbell scene, a mysterious figure is caught on camera, persistently peering through a homeowner's window. Each glance seems calculated, as if ensuring the coast is clear before embarking on a troubling act of vandalism against the property. In this gripping Ring doorbell scene, under the cover of night, watch closely as this daring individual is caught on camera attempting to break into a residence.
When he couldn't open the gate or the lockbox, he smashed the Ring camera and another camera on the property.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell scene, a man discreetly parks his car and carefully retrieves a large bag, concealing it behind a nearby van in front of a residence. Suspicion arises as viewers witness this mysterious exchange, raising questions about the contents and intentions behind this clandestine act.
The next day, Allie unzipped it and found it packed tightly with crumpled, used, and stained adult and child clothes. She has no clue what's inside and didn't want to unpack it. Allie called the cops, and they took the bag into their possession. The investigation is still ongoing.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell scene, a man enters an apartment building and attempts to break into a door, methodically testing each knob before ultimately leaving.
He then moved on to other apartments and tried their doors as well.
Go downstairs.
In this gripping nighttime Ring doorbell scene, a young man under cover of night, brazenly approaching a residence and forcefully kicking the garage door before swiftly disappearing into the darkness.
After kicking the door, the kid ran off. There were at least 4 kids in a small black 4-door sedan. The incident was reported to the Phoenix PD. The outcome for these kids is uncertain, but they should face consequences for their actions.
In this alarming nighttime Ring doorbell scene, 2 masked individuals approach a residence, skillfully disabling the security camera before forcefully kicking down the door.
They stole some expensive stuff and were violent towards the family inside.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this tense Ring doorbell footage, on January 24, 2024, witnessed the unsettling behavior of a man captured on camera right in front of a residence, displaying erratic actions suggestive of someone under the influence of a hard substance.
He looked really confused.
Get out of there! Call the police!
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm at the wrong porch. My bad. That is totally my bad, man. What the toy? Where the hell am I?
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a mysterious stranger lingers ominously at someone's door, their intentions unclear and unsettling. Watch as the homeowner's security system captures this tense moment, leaving unanswered questions about the stranger's mysterious presence and potential motives.
Me. Daniel?
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a visibly impaired individual approaches a residential door, attempting to open it in a bewildered state. In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, watch as this unexpected encounter unfolds when a delivery man realizes he's at the wrong address. Witness the moment he approaches the homeowner, seeking clarification before continuing his journey.
What the f are you doing? Oh, sorry, mate. It's number 40. Yeah, but what are you doing?
Oh, sorry. I've come to meet a girlfriend, but it's obviously...
Get
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
Hey, don't come that here.
I've got the wrong place, mate.
We're calling the cops. We have pictures there. Yeah, we'll show them. Off.
Go on, go away.
Tell you slag the and all.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this startling Ring doorbell moment, a man attempts to steal a package from someone's doorstep, only to be confronted by the vigilant homeowner, who scares him away.
Hey! Get the out!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, they did.
Sorry.
You see that?
Holy
Call Caitlin.
Hurry up.
Tell her to run down there.
Dude, I just saved our packages. They ran away.
In this terrifying Ring doorbell moment, imagine the shock of arriving home at night, only to be ambushed by a group of individuals who emerge from the darkness and force their way inside, intent on robbing the homeowner of his possessions. In this unsettling Ring doorbell moment, watch as a stranger is confronted by the homeowner while creeping around her property.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Can I leave a message for? Oh my goodness! Can I leave a message for your dog?
For my dog.
Yes. They're barking.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's all.
What? Are you okay?
Yeah, you okay?
I wonder why would you leave a message for my dog?
Because they're barking, and I just wanted to leave a message. That's all.
Okay. Well, you have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Uh-huh. Welcome. Asshole.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.